Let me show you all of the best features that I found for Realme Buds T310. So first of all, we need to open the case and remove both of our earbuds so that they can connect with my smartphone right here. Then the next step is to open a Realme Link app, which you can download from Google Play Store. And this app allows you to customize different settings for your earbuds. Now let's go through most of the interesting options. And we have a noise control. You can switch between noise cancellation, which will try to block out any noise that is coming from around you so that you can focus on the sound directly from your earbuds. You can turn it off right here with the middle option, or change to transparency mode, which allows you to instead hear everything from the outside with improved quality. And you can enhance voices to hear the voices specifically, or enable smart de-wind technology, which will block out any wind noises during phone calls and etc. That applies to your microphone. Then in noise cancellation, you can also manage through different noise cancellation strength, and also we can enable this de-wind technology. Now the next options are sound effects. You can enable dynamic audio and adjust the sound frequency. You can experiment with those options, but I prefer to disable that. Then there's the equalizer mode that you can switch between different presets that are available by default, or you can create your own equalizers by clicking on this plus button and then adjust them however you like. You can rename it right here, and then when we close it, there's the custom one right there, and we can create the different profiles by just clicking on this plus button, and there's maximum of 3. Next one is the spatial audio, which gives you a sound in 360 degrees. So if the sound also supports it, you'll be able to hear a specific sounds in from specific directions. Then there's the dual device connection, which allows you to connect 2 different devices at the same time to your buds. And there's a game mode, which improves the latency of a sound, but at the same time may lower a noise quality and sound quality. You can perform your earbud fit test to find a perfect fit for your tips. And that would be honestly each and every option I find interesting in those earbuds.